Hello and welcome to the 7-minute Sofa Yoga Mudra sessions. Mudras are hand gestures and they enhance our natural feeling of health and well-being because on very subtle levels they're all about energy, sealing it in, locking it, making it ready for your use on a constance. Find yourself comfortable on your sofa, whether that's with your feet on the floor, knees bent, or you might like to be in a cross-legged position. Whatever you feel is most comfortable for you on your sofa. Try to avoid collapsing the body down, slouching, hunching the shoulders forward. Let's try and always get to that uplifted seat position. So your buttocks are firmly seated, but the upper body is elevated. It's creating some space so that when you get into the mudra and the breathing, you're going to potentially get to an even better level of health and well-beingness. So today we are going to practice Buddhi Mudra. Now this is the tip of the little finger, your little pinky. It's symbolized by Mercury, the planet Mercury. And we all know, or possibly not, but Mercury is the planet of clear communication. Okay, it's the mercurial mind. So by bringing the tip of our little finger to the tip of our thumb, we get ourselves into Buddhi Mudra. And just rest the hands where they feel most comfortable for you. Might be in your lap, might be on your knees. And soften. Close your eyes. The closing of the eyes assists us into having an inward view. Looking inward, allowing ourselves to gain a deeper insight of the self, of ourself. So whilst sitting comfortably with the hand gesture of Buddhi Mudra, remembering it's denoted by Mercury and brings forth clear and intuitive communication. Breathe long and deep. Notice any subtle changes going on internally. Observe your flow of breath. And always try to progress toward lengthening the breath, the inhalation and the exhalation. Taking longer breaths calms the heart rate and soothes the nervous system. Have a body check, scan, remember the teeth. We want to avoid clenching them. We want to aim to have a relaxed tongue in the mouth. And you'll know it's relaxing because it will begin to swell in the mouth and it will touch on the teeth as it does so. You want to soften your jawline. You want to release in the shoulders. And this doesn't mean collapsing down and hunching them forward. It just means having that upright torso with relaxed shoulders. They're not travelling up to your ears anymore. They're going in the opposite direction now. They're drawing downward, releasing. Notice any pulsing activity at the connection of the tip of your little finger with your thumb. Maybe feel that energy circulating around the little finger, into the thumb, into the palm of the hand, and through the little finger once again, into the thumb. The more often you practice the mudras, the more ability you will have to connect with these subtle energy locks and flows that are taking place. And with your constant, patient practice, day by day, you will begin to acknowledge and notice that you do generally feel better, healthier. There's absolutely no reason or excuse that you cannot give 7 minutes out of every 24 hours to be on the sofa practicing a yoga mudra, a yoga asana posture, a yogic breath technique. There are so many strings to yoga for you to practice. And the more you practice them, the more they become second nature. After watching these videos and beginning to understand the hand gesture, then you'll be able to just sit on the sofa and do them quite naturally. Open the eyes, gently release the hand gesture, take a breath in and out, feeling better. We look forward to seeing you again very soon for our next 7-minute Sofa Yoga Mudra session.